Okay, so for this run, I'm not gonna push you a whole bunch, okay? So you need to keep going, okay?
It's green circle this way.
Yep. Do you know how to do roller skates? Have you ever done roller skates? Have you ever skated at all? Well, check it out.
It has to be bigger.
If you kind of do like this and push on your toe, push on your toe. And push against the inside of your feet. Okay, check this out. Point this ski that way, and then push against this foot going that way. So like this. We push, push.
Maybe I can do it on the hill.
So don't do any pizza, just let them go. Whenever you do pizza, it makes you slow down and stop. Okay, give you a good push. Oh, you're slowing down. Don't slow down. Quit doing your pizza. Yeah, okay. If all you're gonna do is your pizza, I'm not gonna push you no more. Because what it is it hurts my arm really to push you a whole lot. So, I'm not trying to be mean. I just don't want my arm to hurt. So I'm sorry if I sounded mean.